Hi guys, this is Amelia from Mrs. Storm's class. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime, so let's get started. My ingredients are one bowl, some glue, a spoon, and activator. So let's get started. First things first, you need to open your glue up and then pour it into your bowl. Okay, now we just need to mix. Try to get all the little swirls onto the bottom of the bowl. Just mix your glue up a little bit, tap your spoon so you get that glue back. And then just add a little bit of activator at a time. And then start mixing your slime. Look at that, it's coming together. Stir, stir, stir. When it's like this, you'll need just a tiny bit more activator. Pour it right into the middle. And grab a spoon. We're gonna keep mixing. Just mix, and then you'll have a blob of slime. Some people know you need water, but this Elmer's glue already has that water in it. So yeah, it's gonna need some more activator, even though I already put a lot. We're just gonna tap it. We're gonna keep mixing until it becomes something like this. Yeah, and then you can go ahead and go in with your hand. It's gonna, my assistant over here is gonna put some more activator in it, please. Assistant. And then you're just gonna mix with your hands. You want it to be easy to access off your hands. There's way more in my bowl, so try to get it all in one blob. Second thing, so you just need to try to get it all out of your bowl. Stick it so your mom and dad won't have a rough time cleaning it. And that is how you make slime. It kind of looks like an egg yolk. Thank you for watching. Peace, heart, love, bye.